Now, let's see how to embed a Google spreadsheet with DataBridge. First, add a label for your entry. Next, if needed, you can provide a description, but this step is optional. Then, set the priority, which defines the order in which this item will appear. After that, decide where to place it. Across all records and objects, in the current deal, or by using a filter. If the filter doesn't match the current record, the system will display a note that it's not valid for this entry. However, you can still submit the filter and save it. Next, choose the type of content you want to embed. In this case, select Google Spreadsheet. Paste the spreadsheet link and make sure that access to the file is open. You can preview it by clicking the file name and submitting. In this example, the parameters don't match the record, so the spreadsheet doesn't appear inside the deal. Once the conditions are adjusted and the record matches, the embedded spreadsheet becomes visible, and everything works as expected. Finally, you can either open the sheet with Show Model inside HubSpot or view it in a separate tab. And that's how embedding Google Spreadsheets works in DataBridge.